Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the shortcut key to delete rows in Excel. Let's get started. To swiftly delete a row in a data table, start by clicking on the row located on the left. Then use the convenient hotkey. Press Ctrl and the minus sign, and the row disappears. This shortcut is also effective for deleting multiple rows simultaneously. The steps remain the same. Select all desired rows, utilize Control along with the minus sign, and there you have it. All selected rows have been removed. For more advice on useful Excel shortcuts, explore our other video tutorials. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.